Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit picture on Capcut. First of all, open your Capcut app on your phone, then you have to create a new project. Then choose the photos or pictures that you want to edit, and before you choose it, you can click on this photos option. Then choose the photo that you like, and I'm going to edit this photo. So we can simply click on the photo like this. Then instead of clicking on add button, we can click on this edit photo. Alright, and here we go. Here we can edit our photo. If we want to put a text to our photo, we can simply click on this text option. Then if you want to add filters, we can click on this filters option, and I'm going to put filters on my photo, and there are a lot of filters we can use, and I'm going to choose film filters. I'm going to choose this one, and don't forget to click on this check mark after you choose the filter that you want. You can add stickers, shape, and also add another photo to your picture, and you can explore it by yourself, guys. And if you want to save this edit to your gallery, you can simply click on this export button. And that's how we can edit a picture or photo in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye!